So I have this wireless speaker cannon from Tyler. I received this in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. This is the TWS406 BK. As you can tell, it's shaped like a cannon, and this thing is massive. I've used a lot of Bluetooth speakers. This one is a lot bigger than those. They're usually small and can fit in your hand. This one is a lot bigger than those. This thing is like the size of a boombox. It measures 11 inches long, 5 inches in diameter. It's got rubber feet here at the bottom, keeps it nice and steady. Got a handle at the top, nice leathery feel to it. But yeah, this thing is a beast. You can see the controls here on the side. Power button, play, M for changing the mode. Volume controls, plus and minus, that can also control changing tracks. And this flap here contains the various inputs. You have USB input, like a flash drive, micro SD input, auxiliary input, and also your input for your power. Also came with a user manual, power cord, auxiliary cord, and also another strap so that you can clip it to this and then something that you can secure it to, like a backpack or whatever else. It also has FM radio, so that's cool. And it says you can also connect it to other speakers so you have surround sound. That's really cool too. So let's connect this to my phone via Bluetooth and see how it sounds.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
You can tell right away why it's called a cannon. It's because all the sound comes out of this end here, just like a cannon. It's shooting that sound out. I'd be interested to find out how far it shoots and still be able to hear it really clear. Here it is, Tyler TWS406.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
All right, so we're paired. All right, I'm going to set this over here and shoot the sound towards us. Let's bring up a YouTube video. Right away, I can tell that it has really good sound quality. You can hear everything crisp and clear. Music sounds great. There is just a little bit of latency between the video and the audio. So if you're using it for like watching a movie and things, just keep that in mind. It does connect via Bluetooth, so that's very normal. Certainly if you're doing that kind of thing, you want to connect it via the aux cable instead. But yeah, the actual sound sounds amazing. It sounds good. Let's try another song. So you should note that the volume controls on the speaker control just the speaker. A lot of Bluetooth devices, it actually controls your phone's audio. You can certainly control it on your phone also. But if that's not loud enough, then you can also increase it on the speaker. Because a vision softly and then there's that beeping noise when you've reached maximum volume. It gets pretty loud. And then since it's a cannon like that, it actually shoots the volume away from the device. That's pretty cool. I'm going to shoot this down a hallway and see how far I can hear it crisp and clear. So I just checked that out, played it back, and I'm impressed. That's really cool. That hallway is about 30 feet long or so, and even at the other end of the hallway, this thing sounds nice. It really does blast the audio far away like that. It's pretty cool. As far as build quality, feels like it's built really nice. It's got a little bit of weight to it, so you can tell it's made of good materials, good audio, good form factor. I like it. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.